CTE Pathways are direct pathways to get a career when you get out of high school, designed for students that want to go to college or go directly into industry.
As a previous CTE student, it gave me the opportunity to connect my high school time with my career that I was interested in at the time. It allowed me to get that hands-on experience, try out that program. I went to college and turned it into my school counseling program, but I got to relate what I do in so many ways and get that hands-on experience.
This was our first fall semester with ElevateEdAZ. This is a great grassroots way of getting them interested and then having that positive interaction with their employer, with their company. And so when they're down the road at college or getting out of college, they're like, wow, I really enjoyed that student internship I did back in high school with this company. I'd love to spend my time there.
My plans are to graduate and go to a university, Texas Southern, and then get my bachelor's degree in aviation to be an EMS pilot. And my CTE programs helps me with that because I already know what to expect, but also, even though a bachelor's is 4 years, I only have to go for 3 years because I already have the first part done because of my CTE class.
The CTE classes really focus on collaboration with other students. I think it really prepares people for, working with others, and especially in like hospitality and whatnot. It helps you to get prepared for the future.
The great part about a CTE pathway is that the student gets a comprehensive model for education, which includes the classroom experience, the lab experience, work-based learning, and then ultimately also leadership and professional skills.
So what I've learned is how exactly a commercial and residential place is constructed. I know I can look at a house and say, oh, this is probably a 16 by in center house. I can look at many things and understand how and why exactly it was constructed right there.
In our CTE pharmacy program, what we do that has benefited me is we learned our drugs. Our drugs is probably the most important thing to know. You'll have to know them in any medical field, really. I plan on becoming an anesthesiologist, and this helps me learn my drugs, rehab administration, all of that stuff, which prepares me more to advance in the medical field.
After high school, I'd like to go to GCC and then ASU. From there, I want to get either my software engineering degree or web development, something along those lines, but cybersecurity is helpful because if I'm trying to build a website, I need to know, how do I make that website secure? How are ways that people can get into that website? And if I decide to do software engineering, it's the same premise of how do I make sure that this program is secure? How do I make sure that the other people's data doesn't get stolen?
I've seen a couple of my students actually be able to get jobs while they're in high school, which was something that you didn't see when I was younger. When I was in high school, getting a job in the automotive field was strictly for students or people that were 18 years old outside of high school. So that is definitely one benefit.